So here we have the Victorinox Swiss arm knife. We thank you Otto from Switzerland who sent us this. You have a corkscrew. You have some knives. Yeah.
Vi visa märket. Good.
And we will see how this handled the press. This is how you get an army knife into an airport. You press it to get it smaller. Then you can have it in your pants.
Visa. Där.
This is the whole mechanical solution for the Swiss army knife. Pressed up.
You know, sometimes getting your wish granted is you have to work hard. So this guy asked if you can please do a Swiss army knife. 2 weeks ago, we have one more 1 week ago. I still insist on a Swiss army knife 1 week ago also. And there's this other guy asking for the same thing. Can you already do Swiss army knife? And then actually we noticed it 3 days ago.
Here he got a bit angry, so now it was the last time he will ask us for this.
And of course we always want to grant our subscribers the privilege to give us items to press.
So this is for you, Nacer26.
Hope you enjoy it.
So here we have the Swiss army knives from... Fuck. Han har sin safe zone bakom väggen.
Fattar ni sjukhuspremien nu Fredrik när du står där hela tiden?
Bailout.
Vad fan fick en idé på det?
Swiss army. Kom, vad gör du då? Ska du också dra eller?
Ska du och jag stå här eller?
Ja.
Okej, du och jag står här.
Nej, vad du och jag står där. Okej, jag står bakom den då.
Du får fixa en svart sköld åt Fredrik.
Tror du den här håller framme? Ja. Tror du den här håller? Jag ska säga.
Nej men...
You see this guy here Nacer26. Ska vi ta ut det här eller?
Ja.
Spring nu kommer knivarna flyga.